Phase changes occur with increased temperature. The particles of a solid are held close together by intermolecular forces of attraction. Because the particles are so close together, they tend to vibrate in a fixed point. So, ang phase changes, ara natin siya makita if na-increase of temperature. So, ang particles sa solid, guys, decompress na or held close together because of intermolecular forces of attraction. So, di ba, ang intermolecular forces of attraction, it pulls other particles closer to them. Mauna nga murag nag-compress ang mga particles. So, ang kanang mga particles, mo-vibrate na siya if na ay increase of kinetic energy. When the heat supplied exceeds the intermolecular forces that holds the solid particles, they start to become loose from the solid lattice and melt, decreasing their molecular order, which allows the particles to slide past each other. So if ang heat mo increase og ayo, ang intermolecular forces nga nagunit anang between particles kay mo decrease. Unya, ang kanang mga particles nga nag-compress, mo buwag-buwag na siya, they'll start to become loose. And then, ang ilang movement is mag-slide past to each other na. Further increase in heat supplied can overcome the intermolecular forces between liquid particles, causing them to begin moving independently and colliding with other particles, forming a gas or vapor. If mo increase pa dyan ang heat nga gi-apply, ang intermolecular forces sa liquid particles kay move independently. Unya, ang kanang iyang particles mo collide with other particles, causing them to form a gas or vapor. Most solids undergo this two-step process before they become gas. There are certain solids, however, that go directly from being solid to vapor and do not melt upon gaining sufficient energy. These solids are described to undergo a process called sublimation. An example of a solid that sublimes is a dry ice, the solid form of carbon dioxide. So now let me show you an example of sublimation. Just remember that sublimation is a process where solid is converted into gas. A phase diagram is a graphical representation of the pressure-temperature relationships that apply to the equilibria between the phases of a substance. So, ang kaning phase diagram, mao ni siya mapakita nato sa relation sa temperature o sa pressure nga nagka-cause sa phase changes. It is useful in determining the combination of temperature and pressure at which substance will exist as solid, liquid, or gas, or the conditions at which two phases exist in equilibrium. So, there are two commonly studied phase diagrams. These are the water and carbon dioxide.
So now, let me show you the phase diagram of water. The solid curves line in a diagram give the temperature and pressure at which two phases exist in equilibrium. So, kani siya nga solid line isang pakita sa pressure o sa temperature nga nay duha ka phases nga ni-exist in a equilibrium form. Equilibrium means that the phase change from phase A to phase B occurs at the same rate as a phase change from phase B to phase A. So, ang equilibrium ko no, mo siya phase change nga bisag mao ra same rate bisag kung saan yung balik-balik parehani. Bisan pag balik-balik yung phase A to phase B or phase B to phase A, mao ra gyapon na siya kuan rate. So, ang kaning line AB, mo siya ang nag-show sa temperature, pressure condition sa solid, gas equilibrium. While ang kaning line AC, mo po ni siya ang nag-show sa liquid o gas equilibrium. Then ang last is ang line A of D. Mo ni siya ang nag-show sa solid o liquid equilibrium. All point that do not fall on any of the line in the figure represent condition under which there is only one stable phase. So if na ay point nga dili maalan, mao na siya ang nag-represent sa condition nga only one phase lang. One typically feature of the phase diagram of water is the negative slope of the solid-liquid boundary line, which signifies that the melting point of ice decreases as the external pressure decreases. So, kaning negative slope sa solid-liquid boundary line, nagpakita niya siya na kung ang pressure mo taas, ang iyahang melting point mo decrease. So, mo ni ang behavior niya tungod kay ang density o ang ibugatong sa ice is lesser than a liquid in a melting point. The maximum density of water is observed at 4 degrees Celsius, the temperature at which liquid water freezes and its volume increases. So, ang maximum temperature is 4 degrees Celsius. Then, ang temperature is mo-freeze na ang liquid o ang iyahang volume increase. So, note that the normal boiling point is 100 degrees Celsius. Nya, ang normal freezing point is 0 degrees Celsius. Referred as tripod point, where three phases of solid, liquid, gas coexist in equilibrium. So, ang tripod point o kaning nga line sa water is 0.01 degrees Celsius. Nya, ang pressure sa water o kaning nga line is 0.0060 atm. Point C is the critical point, the temperature pressure condition at and above which the vapor of the substance cannot be liquefied no matter how pressure is applied. So, C, mo siya ang critical point. Ang vapor substance niya is dili na ma-liquefy or dili na ma-turn into liquid. Bisan pag unsa pa kataas ang apply nga pressure. So, the critical point of water is 373.99 degrees Celsius at 217.75 atm. So, maura to siya ang phase diagram of water.
So, mao gani ang phase diagram sa carbon dioxide.
Pressure around normal atmospheric pressure, carbon dioxide can either be a solid or a gas depending on the temperature. At 1 atm, solid carbon dioxide is in equilibrium with the gas at negative 78.5 degrees Celsius. As solid carbon dioxide warms above this temperature, it sublimes rather than melts. Hence, the term dry ice is used for gaseous carbon dioxide.
So karon maghatag din ninyo example of sublimation of ice. So kabantay mo imbes melt ang ice na ingon na noon siyang gas particle. So the tripod point of CO2 is negative 56.6 degrees Celsius and 0.11 atm. So diara ang tripod point. So ang temperature diri ay negative 56.6 Celsius. So ang atm po kay 5.11 atm. This means that carbon dioxide cannot be a liquid at pressure less than 5.11 atm. If gamay sa 5.11 atm ang pressure, dili siya kanang liquid ang carbon dioxide. From the phase diagram, carbon dioxide can be converted to a liquid at 20 to 25 degrees Celsius by applying moderate pressure on the gas. So ang carbon dioxide dun is ma-convert into a liquid if temperature is between 20 to 25 degrees Celsius with a moderate pressure. So the critical point of carbon dioxide is 31 degrees Celsius and 73 atm. Once the critical point is reached, distinct liquid and vapor phases are no longer evident. So, one kay nga ma-reach na ang critical point, dili na nato maklaro ang distinct liquid o ang vapor phases. So, kanini ang homogeneous phase tawag niyo supercritical carbon dioxide. A supercritical fluid is a substance that has temperature above its critical temperature and a density near its liquid density. So, matawag na to siya supercritical fluid if ang temperature is above na sa critical point. So, maura to siya ang phase diagram sa carbon dioxide.